This 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features a Brynlee Teak interior, sleeps 6, awning, oven, water heater, skylight, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, TV, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is 6,488 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.